Welcome to the advanced tutorial of the Multiple Group Share Assistant, which is a Chrome extension which basically does your Facebook sharing. So, when you have a post and you want to share it to multiple Facebook groups, this Chrome extension basically does that for you in a human-like way, keeping your account ultra safe. Now, this is the advanced video. This is part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, perhaps you should, so that you can get to know the basics. So here we are in part 2 now, looking at the advanced ways that you can share your post into multiple groups. To get started being advanced with this, you click on Share Group, as we explained in the first part. Then you click on the Chrome extension, and now let's zoom into it. Okay, here we are. So once you're in this section, there are many things you can do. So you're going to get to know these buttons up here. These are the ones that are going to make your life even quicker. So over here are the saved post templates. What they are, when you type something like, guys, check this out, in the sharing text over here, this will allow you to not have to actually ever type that ever again. You can just create new templates. Like, for example, I have one for this app itself, Multiple Group Share Assistant. Guys, no more manual sharing one by one to groups. Let this Google Chrome extension share your post into groups for you and be your secret weapon, your secret social media marketer. Just don't overuse it. So this is my little blurb that goes over here when you share the post. And that's it. You can use that for all of your posts just by leaving it just like that and moving on to start selecting a group from the list. But because this is the advanced video, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do. So let's say it's the first time you type this. You can save the preset by clicking here. When you click this, you will be saving this as a preset. So we can call it the MGSA promo. And then you save the template, and that's it. Every time I want to use this, I can just click here, and that's it. It's ready for me to use. Secondly, add signature function. This will allow you to add a signature which will go at the end of every post. Now, the reason why you want it here and not over here is because if you were going to do variations, which is another function, it creates variations of this text over here. When you click on AI variations, it will literally take the text from your post that you're about to post and create variations. So let's create 5 variations. And I'm just going to show you exactly what happens when you create variations. These will be distributed evenly across the posts. So as you can see, oh my gosh, guys, stop sharing manually already. Like, seriously, get this Google Chrome extension and let it share all your posts, all your groups. You see, it's taken this text and created variations of it down here. Now, you can also click on Advanced here and modify the prompt that creates these variations. So you are a social media assistant, generate distinct variations. I say make it human, like whatever you want to write over here. And then save, that's it. Once it's saved, it will do the work for you according to this prompt and create the variations. So once you've added your variations and saved them, you can move on to the next step, which is to select the groups. Now, we've already shown how to do this in part 1. So if you haven't seen part 1, please watch it first. But this is why I want to show you this feature here. This is the group preset manager. Now, every time you post to groups, you will get a pop-up saying, would you like to save this group of groups as a preset? Funny. So, and if you say yes, then these are the previous things I've posted in. So let me just delete this for a second. So if I, let's say, select this marketing groups and I click apply, it's going to literally load all of my groups and then select the ones in that preset. So if you keep posting regularly on a regular basis to the same groups, I highly recommend you save as a preset so that you won't have to keep choosing your groups. When you have to go and find the groups that you're in and you have to really search for the ones you want, never again. With this Chrome extension, now it will know which groups you want to use. And you can, if you click on show all, you can see 59 out of 110 groups. If you click on show all, it will show you the ones that are not chosen. So if you've missed anything, you can add them as well. And then you can hide and only show the ones that are chosen. Then the delay. Now this, because it's mimicking human behavior, it doesn't have to be 25. It can even be 5 seconds between each group. And then you click share to selected groups and it will literally start sharing. Let me just show you how it looks when you're sharing. So let's get out of the, here we go. You see, would you like to save this as a preset? And this will let you save it, my marketing groups, and then you save it and that's it. Next time you can use it much easier. Now, as you can see, there's a nice user interface. It shows you how many groups have been done, 0 out of 61. And it literally types the blurb over here and it posts it like a normal human would. That's why this extension doesn't need your login information. You don't have to log into Facebook. So as you can see, it posts, it looks for the group by itself. Look, my hands are up here. It's looking for the group and sharing one by one, just like a human would. And it actually types the blurb and everything, does it all for you. Absolutely fantastic. So watch how it types for you as well, like a human, exactly like a human would. And that's basically it. Fantastic, guys. So we did it. And then once it's finished, it just does all 61. You can go grab a coffee and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.